My name is Jeff Adamick. I am the district locksmith and door specialist. I started out as the district mover and then went to a lead custodian job and then back to a groundskeeper. And then this job opening came about and I applied for it and was fortunate enough to get it. There's many things that a lot of us can do. We have had the ability to cross over in a lot of our jobs and help each other. So it doesn't matter what trade you're in, we all support each other here. It's a big family here at TCAPS. Everybody from the maintenance, bus garage, administration, teachers, students provide a smile, and you have a lifetime of friends in the district here. I think it's important for our school district to see that we actually care about everyone who comes here to showcase our area and our school district. There's always something going on because it's such a great town to live in. We have a lot of festivals and different things that are happening here, and a lot of our schools are based here in town. This is the place to be. We have great clear waters and a lot of fun things to do here. A new employee coming into our area, whether it be maintenance, teacher, custodian, anyone, you're going to see a lot of solid programs that are constantly being worked on. We have a really good wage program, benefit program here. We would really like people to come here to be part of our family. Everybody in the district is a teacher, is an educator. We all learn and teach the things that we know to help you learn to be the best you can be when you graduate from a TCAPS school. We exist to educate.